Hi students, 5th September is approaching and 5th September is always a very cherishable day for me because this is the day where the student-teacher relationship is reaffirmed. I'm lucky that this year I'm on board with Unacademy, and Unacademy is organizing a very grand event. It's an online event which they have called Unacademy One. Now this is going to be on 5th September 6 p.m. You can click the link below and join it. I would request all my learners and others to join this grand program, which is an online program. It's really worth it. It's a very exciting grand program, and I'm sure I'm very excited at least to join this program. So this will be one of the most exciting features of September 5th. So please come and join through this link and don't forget to set a calendar for yourself so that you join in time. So see you all on 5th of September 6 p.m. on Unacademy One live online program. God bless you all.